Hello and welcome to this mini tutorial where we will break down and build back up the word contribution. So here is the script taken from the Cambridge Online Dictionary, and the first thing to notice is we've got a number of divisions and several stressed components to this word. So as you can see there, we divide the word into 4 syllables, and we have a primary and a secondary stress because of the length of the word. So the mark in the middle at the top, the blue mark, tells us that the main stress is with bu. But if you notice on the left, there's a blue mark at the bottom, and that tells us that con also gets a stress, but it's the secondary stress, so it's not quite as strong as the primary stress. So thinking about con then, we've got the k, o, n, and that gets a little bit of stress, so con. We've got a cluster there in tr. If you are a speaker of a language where there is a trill with your r, you might need to just be careful with that. So this isn't a tr sort of sound. We don't want any trilling, we don't want bouncing with the tongue. Just curl it back, tr. And with the I, tri. And then we've got the bu, which when we build the word back together will be the strongest component. And our shun at the end, so sh, the n, shun. Take care with your sh. The tongue needs to be close to the top of the mouth and let the air just ride over the tongue. Shun. So building those components back together then, repeat after me. Contribution. 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 If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, and if it was useful for you, hit like. If you've got any comments or requests for words that you want covering in future videos, leave those below, and of course feel free to share. If you haven't already, check out the main page. There are lots of other playlists that you might find useful, depending on what your English learning goals are. Thanks for watching and have a great day.